Hey hungry people, I'm Blair.
I'm Jacob.
And we are so excited that you guys are joining us for our spookiest episode of the season. Today we'll be making Frankenstein Rice Krispie treats. Starting off, for your ingredients, you mainly need Rice Krispies and fluff, or you can also melt marshmallows, but we decided to do it a little bit more fun.
Yeah, so as Blair said, marshmallows, that's how I've been used to making it, but we're going to try the fluff out today because, it's much quicker and easier for college students. We also have got the chocolate chips, the food dye, because of course it's got to be green, and then the pumpkin for the Halloween decoration right here. So right now we are going to add about 8 ounces of fluff, and that is about half of a regular size container, or about one full size small container. So let's put that into our pot. Then we're also going to add a half stick of butter and melt that until it becomes good consistency and it's all melted.
After it's all melted, we'll then be adding some food coloring, green, obviously for Frankenstein, to the Rice Krispies. So Jacob, today, are we technically hosts or are we now ghosts?
I think we are hosts because I'm not a ghost, I'm a devil, if you can see by my horns, and you're obviously a witch, so...
Yes, I was very excited about the witch.
We are in the festival of Halloween, so I think that's a positive. The festivities, necessary.
Oh, definitely, for sure. Are you being anything else for Halloween, Jacob? Or are you just doing the devil all weekend?
This is a very on-brand thing for me. I'm going as Jake from State Farm.
Oh, that's
wearing
hilarious.
the red polo, like a good neighbor. I'm there to help you, Yeah, what are you going as, Blair?
Well, tonight I'm going to be Tinkerbell with my roommates. We're all doing the Pixie Hollow Fairies. Very excited about it. And then another time would be a cheetah. Alright guys, so we're off the stovetop and now we have our Rice Krispies. Unfortunately it's a little less green than we were expecting, but
it's more like pastel green, but that's okay. When you go to the grocery store, just make sure to get, I guess regular green color.
Yeah, we thought the pastel might work, but you know what? At College Eats for college students,
yeah, it's not a College Eats episode, it's not going unexpected. But
yes.
That's what is part of the fun. And so now we're going to put this into our pan. So it's pretty good consistency when it just falls right out of the pan like that.
Oh, that looks delicious.
It does look pretty delicious.
Oh my God.
And then we're going to put this in the fridge to let it sit for a little bit, and then we can cut them up and make some Rice Krispie treats.
It'll be delicious. All right, now that Frank has cooled off, we gotta decorate him.
We do, so we're gonna put some chocolate chips into our pan. And we're gonna melt these for the hair and the eyes for Frankenstein.
Yes, and the mouth as well. And then we're gonna use marshmallows for the eyes and then dot them with the chocolate chips. Wait, so Jacob, what have been some of your favorite Halloween traditions?
Well, trick-or-treating's a classic. You go with your friends, you go around the neighborhood, get all the candy. As a big candy guy myself, it's obviously my favorite part when you can get it for free. How about you?
For sure, and I love that all the sorters are doing that Greek retreat
yes.
for all like the local Syracuse kids.
Yes.
I think that's definitely a really important thing to do. But I did love trick-or-treating as a kid, of course. And of course watching Halloween movies like Twitches.
I cannot say I've watched many Halloween movies in my entire life. But Twitches is a classic.
Oh, of course, of course. Alright guys, here is Frank. We are very proud of him. We decided to take a more accurate to the book portrayal of Frankenstein. So he has the yellowish pale skin, I guess. But it was very fun to make. It's a great thing to do with your friends, even if the outcome is kind of ugly and adorable.
We haven't tasted it yet, but it's going to taste great, and that's all that matters.
But truly. We're so glad you guys tuned in with us today. It was a very spooky episode.
Yes. And make sure to follow our socials at SU College Eats on Instagram and TikTok.
Alright, have a spooky night everyone. Take care.